Edgar's from Funneltopia here, and in this video I want to quickly show you that you can add the sort and filter features to your product list and on your e-commerce store for its product listing. So in case you didn't know, there's a full e-commerce functionality, and let's go take a look at one of the pages. So let's click on our website under Sites, Websites, and over here we have a product list page. Let's click on it again. And essentially it's like two toggle switches, pretty simple, but it really enhances the searchability of your products. We have a longer list. So this is the product list element over here, right? And if you click on it, there's two switches: enable sorting over here, it appears, and enable filtering. That's pretty simple. Let's go publish it. Let's go take a look. There's also over here on the side, you can change colors, right? Whatever your brand is. But if we take a look at it, I think I might have added some products already. Yeah, just some sample ones, but over here, yeah, just basically the order of it, and also, yeah, the price, the availability, just better search, better experience, right? Along with the search bar, which we discussed a couple weeks ago. So make sure to go check that out. And if you have any questions over here at the bottom, 24/7 chat support, just let us know. If you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.